Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Spike from Brawl. First, let's get started with our eyes. So on the top left-hand side on a diagonal, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval. Moving down on a diagonal on the right-hand side, we will replicate that. Moving in the center of both eyes now, we're going to curve this line around and down. And then on the right eye, we're going to again curve this line all the way around and then in on the bottom. In the center of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then we'll do the same thing coming across on the right. Now let's draw the mouth. So in the center, from this point in the middle, we're going to start by curving this line around and then in. And then again from the center, we're going to curve this line around, blending that back in on the bottom. For the tongue, let's draw in a small curved line from left to right. Now let's frame in the top of the head. So coming over on the left-hand side, very close to the eye, we're going to curve this line up and then down on the right, ending that on a diagonal. Now from here, we're going to draw a curved line that arches around and then in. And then from here on the left-hand side, we're just going to continue to extend this line down for the side of the head. Now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, arching that all the way down and then in towards the middle. Let's draw in our left leg now. So coming down, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval. And then in the center, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then dropping down again, let's replicate that. Now from here on the side from the corner, we're going to curve this line in. And then stretching across, we're going to curve that line over. Let's leave a big gap in the middle now, coming over to the right, and then we're going to curve this line in. On the inside, we're going to draw a straight line that comes down. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Moving down for the right foot now, we're going to start by drawing in a half oval, curving this line around, and then back up. To the left of this, we're going to curve this line over and across. And then leaving a gap in the middle, coming down, let's replicate that again. Behind our left foot now, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then coming down on the right, we're going to draw in another circle beside that. Let's draw in our left arm first. So coming up, just beside the head here, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that in the corner. Now from here, moving up, we're going to curve this line around and then over. On the inside, we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches down. And then to the left of that, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. Now let's draw in our right arm, but first we're going to draw in the ball. So coming down on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up for the spike. Coming down on a diagonal, we'll replicate that on the right, curving that in. Now from here on the top, we're going to bring this line out and then back in on the bottom. And then on the top, we're going to bring this line out and then back in on the bottom again. Closing off the circle, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then moving underneath, we're just going to continue to curve this line all the way around and then back up on the right. In the center again, we're going to curve this line up from the corner on both sides. And then coming underneath, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Now underneath, we're going to draw in a small sideways triangle. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now up above in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on both sides, curving that around and then back in. Now let's draw on the rest of the arm. So for the hand underneath, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Moving up, we're going to draw in another curved line, arching that across. On the top, we're going to bring that diagonal line in towards our hand. And then on the bottom, we're just going to arch this line all the way around and then up. Now on the bottom, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in underneath the arm. On the top, we're going to curve this diagonal line down. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back in. In the center on the top of the head now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. To the right of this, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the top of the head. And then let's do the same thing over on the left-hand side. And that is it. That's how you draw Spike from Brawl Stars. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.